How to connect the A1 smartwatch or the GT08 smartwatch or even the W87 smartwatch, which is similar to a copy of the Apple Watch here. And we're going to use Bluetooth settings to connect it to a Xiaomi phone. This is the Redmi Note 11 phone with MIUI 13. All right. So first things first, on your smartwatch itself, you want to enable the Bluetooth settings and make it visible to nearby devices. So press on the power key. Make sure you start from here. You'll go to where it says menu. And when here, you'll just browse over until you see the Bluetooth icon right there, this Bluetooth icon here, and go ahead and tap on that one time. And when you're here, tap on the word power to enable the Bluetooth settings here. It'll say switching on here. Then tap on the word visibility one time and make sure it says on. So if it's off, tap it and make sure it says on. Now you'll go to where it says search new device. And while you're here, just leave it like that, because the next step is to enable the Bluetooth settings of your Xiaomi phone here. So on your Xiaomi phone here, you'll use the quick panel access and you'll look for the Bluetooth settings here, long press it. And then you'll be taken to the main Bluetooth settings. From here, you can go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth settings and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. All right. So this part now, you want to do this together. So again, this is the A1 smartwatch, GT08, or the W87 smartwatch. They pretty much all run the same way. Okay, so from here on now, you're going to go ahead on here, select where it says search new device. It's going to say searching. You'll see your phone here and you'll see the name of your watch here. So go ahead and press pair. All right, so if it doesn't do that, tap here and then you'll see the codes here. Make sure they're both the same thing. So press pair and then yes on the watch. Okay, and it's going to say connected. It might say on not connected, and then after that, it'll go back to connected again. So just wait a few seconds, and then make sure it says it's connected, and everything's all set and ready to go, okay? Now, you can always tap here on your Xiaomi phone to get access to more settings here, such as contact sharing. And on the watch itself, you will see the name of your Xiaomi phone here, and it'll have this icon here, which means that's the device it's currently connected to. So that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.